First of all, hi to all. Myself Aditya Kumar Prajapat from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Jaipur branch. I want to introduce myself first. Students, our first topic comes that what is the history of sound? History of sound. History of sound we are going to learn. Okay. GAMR and FD. This is one code. By that code, we will try to remember the name of the scientist. What is L is representing? L means here what? That first scientist who was from Italy. So he was Italian scientist, and that Italian scientist name was that. What was the name of that? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was the name of that scientist. Next one, R. R referred that Roman Seneca. Roman Seneca. These are the name of scientists then. Third one, what was the name of that? G is representing Galileo. Galileo. He was the scientist. Later on, who discovered A? Aristotle. Aristotle was the name of the scientist. Next one is what? Marconi. Marconi. Okay. R representing what? Robert Boyle. Robert Boyle. Robert Boyle is the name of that scientist. F. F is what? Fourier. Fourier was the name of the Fourier. Fourier was the name of that scientist. Next one is what? D. D is representing here Doppler. D-O-P-P-L-E-R. Doppler. Okay. So these are the name of the scientists. Those gave and serial, by the serial, they studied about the sound. So these are the name of the scientists. Leonardo da Vinci, he was the Italian scientist. Okay. Roman Seneca, he was the scientist from Rome. Galileo, Aristotle, they are the most common. They gave a lot of theory in the physics also. And Marconi, Robert Boyle, Fourier, Doppler. Next student, our things come that we have to learn about the sound based on our syllabus. So then I'm going to discuss the sound chapter based on the syllabus of 8th class. This was the introduction of sound. I hope that created a lot of interest in you related to the sound. And now we are going to discuss the sound. What is sound based on your syllabus? Okay, now see student. Whenever you are sitting in your school, okay, in your classroom, then you find out that suddenly you will find that period is over. How you will know this, that period of your particular class teacher will subject teacher will be over? How will you know? By there some bell will be. At your home, someone is coming and knocking the door, or else at your home doorbell is there. By pressing it, you are getting some sound and you come to know that someone is at your home. Or else some of the time you also observe that by listening the sound of the footstep, you can identify that there is some person without seeing him. There is some person, he is approaching near to you. So these are the example. By this you can understand something we are understanding and we are discussing the word. Next thing, You might have played the game of hide and seek. In this, what happens? A person is blindfolded and he try to catch the other fellows, other players of the game. So how would that person come to know that someone is nearby him? How he would come to know? How he will come to know? Because he will listen something, okay, listen something and hear something. He will come to know easily without seeing him that someone is nearby him in that hide and seek game. So students, by all these activity, what we learned, that sound plays an important role in our daily life. What is the use of the sound? It is used to communicate with one person to another person. Okay, and we'll hear a lot of, or else you can say, variety of sound nearby us. So now what you have to do, you have to make a list and prepare a list whatever the sound you are hearing surrounding to you. Next, at your school, student, in the music room, you might have observed the sound of flute, sitar, tabla. Okay, try to listen this and make try to do one activity. By that you can find out so many sounds, okay, of so many instruments that you have to do. So finally, student, what we concluded, that by doing all these activity, it comes in our mind. What comes in our mind? That how this is what, how whatever this word I wrote in front of you on the board, what is the sound? Then the question comes in your mind, then what is the sound, how the sound is produced, okay, and how the sound travels from one place to another place, and how this one sound is larger than another sound. All these questions answer we will try to seek in our next. Okay, so up to here we learned. So revise it please and learn it, and whatever the doubt you have, you just tell to me. I will try to give the answer of it. Thank you all the students. Thank you very much.